Hallo zusammen. I'm your vlog Dave, and today I'm doing something really special because right now, as I'm filming this, I'm live streaming. That is why that stuff is there. And I thought, you know what, I'm also gonna unbox something that was sent to me a couple of weeks ago. Like, I thought about doing a usual unboxing, but then I thought, maybe I won't do that because I'm gonna have a live stream in a couple of days. So I could unbox that in the live stream. That's what I'm gonna do now. This is a package, right? This is das Paket, and I'm really dark right now. Wow. It was sent to me by Tiffany. My dear viewer Tiffany, long-time viewer by now as well. I'm gonna open this. I don't know what's inside. Like, it's pretty much a surprise. I know of like something, but not everything. So let's find out. And it's really interesting because I can't really edit anything. So I have to be careful with that kind of stuff right now. Let's see, where can I open it? Gonna cut that open. Okay. That side is open. Wow. By the way, this is my first live stream in 4 months. Mark, hi! And Datka, Cacho, es geht mir so lala. Let's check it out. Hi! And hi to everyone else watching this live right now. I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you for tuning in. So, gonna be a bit careful with opening this and not showing the package because, you know, all the address stickers are on there still. So I don't want to, of course, show them in the cam. That's why I'm doing it this way today. Something fell down. Okay. Whoop. Ooh. Okay. It's a bag filled with something edible, I think it is. I'm intrigued. I'm officially intrigued, everyone. And something fell down. What is this? Oh, this says, I don't know if you can see it like that. Huckleberry. Huckleberry Finn. This would be called das Bonbon in German. It's a neuter noun. This one is apple swirl. Ah, okay. Interesting. I mean, I like apples and huckleberry. I'm actually thinking about what is huckleberry in German again. Can't come up with that. Do you guys know what huckleberry is in German? Huckleberry. Daedalus, hi! Thanks for tuning in. Hi, hi, hi. Okay. There is... Ooh. Okay. That's cool. That is really cool. Okay, there is a little piece of paper that says what's in there. I'm gonna read it out loud for you guys. Contents: 1 bag of Oregon Coast saltwater taffy. 1 misfortune cookie. 4 postcards representing Oregon. $2 bill. It's real money. With a smiley. That is cool. Brombeere. Huckleberry is die Brombeere. Thanks very much, Kasia K. Kasia K for saying that. Because I couldn't come up with a word at that moment. Sometimes, you know, vocabulary. You're not the only one struggling with that. Don't worry, guys. 4 squished pennies. Is it squished pennies? 1 squished quarter. one letter in as much Deutsch as I can write. Oh, that is really cool, Tiffany. That is really cool. And then she also added something in regards to the bag of Oregon Coast saltwater taffy. Taffy, I think it is, taffy. They don't normally come in individual packages, but I wanted to make sure they survive the trip and you could know what the flavors are supposed to be. Ah, Oregon. I think maybe some Germans might say Oregon, which sounds like Aragorn from Lord of the Rings, Herr der Ringe. But it's Oregon. I think some people, like some Germans, might also mispronounce that because we have oregano, like the das Gewürz. Is it oregano in English as well? Maybe that is why people might mispronounce it, but I don't know. The spice, that is, by the way, das Gewürz. Okay, wow. Whoop. Everything sent to me in this bag, which is a cool idea for transport purposes. Okay, so. Oh, this is sour. There it is, sour. By the way, for everyone watching this on YouTube afterwards, this is my very first live stream with my new cam. Thanks to every one of you guys watching this, especially to those supporting me on patreon.com/vlogdave and through Super Chat during live streams and on PayPal, for instance, because you also made buying that cam possible. And I can't thank you enough for that. I love that cam. So, once again, can't stress that enough. I'm gonna repeat that over and over again. I hope that's okay, but I'm really grateful. So, thank you. Lemon meringue. Meringue? What is meringue? Amerikanische Heidelbeeren. Aber auch schwarz wie unsere Brombeeren. Sorry nochmal. Alles kein Problem. Absolut kein Problem. What is meringue? Meringue. But lemon is cool. This says that is sour. I actually showed that. Then we also have a few more. Newport candy shop. Bavarian cream. What is Bavarian cream, I wonder? Mr. Marty, hi. Meringue is pronounced meringue. Meringue, okay. Meringue. Yeah, I'm German. Meringue, okay. And it's whipped eggs and sugar. Ah. Okay, I see. Meringue. See, that is so cool about, you know, having live streams and this channel overall. I think you can learn something, but I can learn something as well. So it's not a one-way street, and I just love that. Bavarian cream. Intriguing. Then we have Boysenberry. What is Boysenberry? Wow, I'm learning so much with this. Hope it's readable. Boysenberry. Ha. Like, are those like a typical Oregon sweets? Marionberry. What is Marionberry? Wow. Okay, never heard those terms. Marionberry. Like, of course I know the usual like strawberry and you know that kind of stuff, but wow. What is this though? This has a really cool symbol on it. Reminds me of the Foo Fighters. But I think it's actually FT. Or it might be FF. I don't know. Huh. Ah, those are the postcards. Disney Gravity Falls. Nice. That actually reminds me of Alan Wake, by the way, Night Falls. I want to replay that at some point. They just put out a remastered version. Love Alan Wake. Oh, okay, there they are. This is a pretty old postcard. I think it's also from your city, I think, or maybe like somewhere in Oregon. Boysenberry is the same in German, is it? What is it then? You deserve to have a good camp. Thank you very much for saying that, Mark. Really appreciate that. Boysenberry. Oh, this is Williamette Street, looking north from 6th Avenue. Uh-huh. Photographer unknown. Lane County Historical Museum, Eugene, Oregon. Ah. I'm really into those like historic things and old pictures and stuff. That is so cool. Wow. And by the way, guys, this is the very first time, not gonna lie, that I'm actually, you know, having a dollar in my hand, an actual dollar bill, that is. I haven't been to the US yet in my life. I really want to go there at some point. I haven't managed to do it yet, but I really want to do that, and I also want to have like a little, if it's possible, of course, I want to have like a little meet and greet with you guys out there. Most probably I'm gonna be in the San Diego area when I'm gonna go there for the first time, because a friend of mine, or like a friend of both Vuko and me, is living there, and she invited us to visit her many months ago actually, but we just couldn't get around to do it yet out of like time reason, and you know, and then, you know, the pandemic hit, and East Coast. No, it's actually West Coast, but this time. But I definitely also want to go to the East Coast at some point. Like I want to see pretty much all of America at some point. That would be so cool. But of course, I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm gonna make a video about that once I know more, and maybe next year. I can't say yet. I don't know. But this is cool. Like I just like saw this in movies and stuff, like $1 bill and, you know, $2 bill and whatnot. And it's interesting because you might not know that, but in Germany we don't have this. Like the lowest bill that we have is €5. And everything below, like €1 or €2, those are coins. We don't have bills for like everything below 5. So this is special, like, and pretty unusual, like from my German perspective. Therefore, that is so cool. Wow, thank you very much, Tiffany. That is cool, and everything else as well, of course. So then we have a. That's, by the way, that is der Leuchtturm, the lighthouse. A literal translation would be the light tower, der Leuchtturm. Yeah, that looks cool. And this one, wow, love that. Yakina Bay Bridge at sunset. Is it Yakina? Yakina? Beautiful colors. $2 is very rare, is it? Okay. Wow. Then I'm like flattered even more. Okay. And the letter. Even in the US, the $2 bill is pretty rare. I don't believe there is a slot for them. US cash registers. Wow, okay. So Tiffany, this is your letter in German. Do you want me to read it out loud, or should I read it like in private later? Which is also possible, of course. I tried my best to write in German without translation. Okay. Ja, es ist okay. Alles klar. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna read a letter that Tiffany wrote in German. She's not a native German, so, you know, and just a general thing before I'm gonna read this, because it's really important that I say this, because I truly believe in that. It's okay to make mistakes. Don't worry about making mistakes when learning a language, or when expressing yourself in a foreign language, that is. Okay, so you should never worry about that. That being said, I'm gonna read it out loud. Grüße Dave. Wie geht es dir? Mir geht's gut. Ich bin endlich dir schreiben. Ich versuche ohne Übersetzen. Ich hoffe, du kannst meine Handschrift lesen. Bitte hilf mir nicht meine Fehler. Hilf mir mit meinen Fehlern. Ich bin jetzt eine Anfängerin. Heute habe ich das Zeit für diesen Brief zu schreiben. Es ist gute Übung. Wir haben Geburtstagen in den gleichen Monat. I see. Meiner ist am 30. Juli. Ich bin jetzt 39 Jahre alt. Es ist seltsam. Ich glaube es nicht manchmal. I can relate. Dieses Paket hat Süßigkeiten, Postkarten, einen Keks und ein paar Münzen. Die Karten sind von der Küste in Oregon. Es ist eine von meinen Lieblingsorten. Wir haben keinen Strand, sondern nur Küste. Das Wasser ist sehr kalt. In Realität haben wir Sand und Wasser. Das Meer ist nicht so gut fürs Schwimmen. Die Natur ist sehr schön da. Ich wünsche dir einen guten Tag und bis bald. Deine Freundin Tiffany. PS, ich werde nach Deutschland im nächsten Jahr kommen. Ich werde nach Deutschland ins nächste Jahr zu reisen. Okay. Wow. Well, that was pretty good though. I mean, of course, some mistakes in there, but like I've said before, don't worry about that. That is okay. At least you tried, and I really dig that. Like, I really, really appreciate that. That is really cool. And I definitely understand everything you said, so no worries there either. Yeah. Wow, Tiffany. That was a really, really cool package. Thank you very much once again. And thanks to you guys as well for watching, of course. Hope you enjoyed this little slightly different unboxing this time around, because I filmed it while having a live stream. Of course, you can also find the full recording of the live stream on YouTube by now. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. Once again, thanks Tiffany, thanks for watching everyone. I'm your Vlog Dave. Tschüss und bis zum nächsten Mal.